Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. My name is Sophia. We are so happy you are here to learn with us today.
Hello, Sophia, and a big hello to all of our listeners. I am Leo. It is wonderful to be with you. Today, we have a very fun and useful topic.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to describe people. We will learn the simple English words you need to talk about your friends, your family, or even characters in a movie.
This is a very important skill. When you tell a story, you often need to describe the people in it, but it can feel difficult. You might think, I do not know the right words.
But do not worry. Today we will make it very simple. We will give you a small box of useful words. With just these few words, you can describe almost anyone.
That is right. We will break it into two easy parts. First, we will learn how to describe what someone looks like. Second, we will learn how to describe what someone is like.
That sounds perfect. Let us start with the first part.
Okay, Sophia. When we talk about what a person looks like, we are talking about what we can see with our eyes. Let us start with something simple. Height.
Height. You mean if a person is big or small?
Exactly. There are three easy words. If a person is big, we say they are tall. If a person is small, we say they are short.
Okay, tall and short. What if they are in the middle?
That is a great question. For someone in the middle, you can say medium height. So, for example, my brother is tall. My sister is short.
My friend is medium height. That is very easy to remember. What is next?
Next is a very important one, hair. We can talk about the color and the length.
Let us start with color. What are the common words?
The most common are brown hair, black hair, blonde hair, which means yellow hair, and red hair.
Okay, so brown, black, blonde, and red hair. And what about the length? The two most simple words are
long hair and short hair. So now we can put these words together.
how do we do that?
We can say, she has long brown hair, or he has short black hair.
Ah, that is a great sentence. She has. Can we also talk about eyes?
Of course. For eyes, we usually just say the color. For example, blue eyes, green eyes, or brown eyes.
So, if I want to describe my friend, I can say she has brown hair and green eyes.
That is a perfect sentence. But I want to teach something very important here. The grammar is a little different.
What do you mean?
When we talk about height, like tall or short, we use the verb is. For example, he is tall. When we talk about hair or eyes, we use the verb has. She has long hair.
Oh, that is a very important tip. So, my brother is tall, but my brother has brown hair.
You got it. He is something. He has something. If you remember that, your sentences will be perfect.
Okay, we know how to talk about what someone looks like. Now, let us learn how to talk about their personality. This is about what they are like on the inside.
Yes, this is what you cannot see with your eyes. Let us learn 5 very useful and positive words.
I am ready. What is the first one?
The first word is kind. A kind person is good to other people. They are gentle and helpful. For example, my mother is very kind.
That is a beautiful word. Kind. Okay, what is the next one?
The next word is funny. A funny person makes you laugh. They tell good jokes. My best friend is very funny.
I I like funny people. Okay, what is word number 3?
Word number 3 is friendly. A friendly person is easy to talk to. They smile a lot and like to meet new people. The new student is very friendly.
Kind, funny, friendly. These are all great words. What is next?
The next word is smart. A smart person knows a lot of things. They're intelligent and learn quickly. My teacher is very smart.
And what is our final word for today?
Our final word is shy. A shy person is very quiet. They are a little nervous when they meet new people. My little brother is a little shy.
That is a great list of words. And for all of these personality words, we use the verb is, right?
That is right. Excellent, Sophia. We say, he is funny. She is smart. We do not say, he has funny.
Okay, we have learned words for what people look like and for personality. Let's try to put it all together now. Leo, can you describe a friend for us?
I can. I will describe my friend David. My friend David is tall. He has short, brown hair and blue eyes. He is very kind, and he's also very funny. He always makes me laugh.
That is a wonderful description. It's simple, it's clear, and I feel like I know David a little bit now. You used is and has perfectly.
Thank you. Now it is your turn. Can you describe a friend or a family member?
Of course. I will describe my friend Maria. My friend Maria is short. She has long blonde hair. She is very friendly, and she is very smart. She loves to read books.
That is perfect. See how easy it is? You don't need 100 words. With just a few simple words, you can paint a picture of a person for your listener.
And that is our simple guide for describing people. Let us quickly remember what we learned.
We learned words for what people look like. Words like tall, short, long hair, brown eyes. And we learned that for these things, we say, he is tall, or she has long hair.
And we learned words for what people are like on the inside. Words like kind, funny, friendly, and smart. And for these words, we always say, he is kind.
The next time you watch a movie or read a book, try to describe one of the characters in your head. Just one simple sentence. It's great practice.
You are all doing a wonderful job. This is a very useful skill, and now you have the tools to use it.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice. Go to the comment section below. Describe a friend or a family member in 1 or 2 simple sentences.
For example, my father is tall and very kind. Or, my best friend has long hair and is very funny. We would love to read about the important people in your lives.
Thank you for listening to Slow English with Mr. Moro. Your hard work is amazing.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. We will be back soon with another lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.